Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to unbox a brand new battery for Lenovo T440p. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the new battery. As you can see, very nice. So this is my laptop. Here's the battery. Alright. A sponge. Oh, using manual. Alright. So here's the new battery. I'm going to open it. So here's the new battery. Finally. Same color as my laptop. T440p 5200 mAh. Wow. Rechargeable, of course. Yeah. So here's the at the back. Windows Pro. So here's the original old battery. I'm going to remove it and replace with this one. Alright. This is the old battery. And this one is the new battery. I'm going to install it. Very nice. So here's my laptop. I'm going to test the battery. Now let's turn on the battery. Oh, maybe the battery is finished. Yeah, the battery is finished. Hopefully the battery is really good. Can't wait to see how's the battery performance. Alright, we already reached the home screen. Now let's check out the battery. Yeah, it's a 0%. I need to charge it until 100%. So before I end this video, you can give feedback for my brand new battery for my Lenovo T440p in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.